Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller. Introduction. Package includes features: touchpad, light bar, built-in speaker, motion sensors, share button, customizable controls, precision control, sharing at your fingertips, new ways to play, charge efficiently, usage: charging the controller, pairing with PlayStation 4, using features: touchpad, share button, motion sensors, connection, connecting to other devices, specification: FAQs. What is the main purpose of the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller? How does the battery life of the Sony CECH DUALSHOCK-4 wireless controller compare to previous models? What unique features does the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller offer? How do you charge the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller? What types of games are best suited for the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller? How does the touchpad on the Sony CECH DUALSHOCK-4 wireless controller enhance gameplay? What is the significance of the light bar on the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller? What should you do if the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller is not pairing with the console? How does the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller compare to other controllers in terms of comfort? What are the dimensions of the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller? How can players share their gameplay using the Sony CECH DualShock-4 wireless controller?